Tanvi Malhara and I am from Bloggers Ideas, and I am here today to give you a very detailed review of Reba McEntire's masterclass. It is a course by McIntyre, a treasure of knowledge for young minds pursuing a career in the field of music. I'm here to assist you to figure out if this class is lucrative enough for you to invest your money on. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. I am personally supremely excited. Okay, before anything else, you should know that Masterclass is a place where you get exclusive access to a plethora of information by the top ranking professionals in their particular fields. Now, first, let me do a quick introduction to this masterclass platform. What is this platform? This is a masterclass course, which is a website where you get to learn about a variety of subjects. What sets it apart from the other educational websites out there is that this is a curated course platform that is taught by the leading experts from their particular industries, which is simply very unique in my opinion. Now, it has two pricing structures. If you are looking to go for one particular course, you can subscribe to that masterclass for $90 and get lifetime access to that course, or you can opt for an all-access pass where you can pay $180 annually and can access all the courses for free for lifetime. I would suggest you go for second option because it's exceptional. It's really hard to choose from the variety of subjects that is available on this class. You would crave to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by their instructors. But if you're very sure that you're only looking for one particular course, then go for $90 option and get lifetime access to that specific course. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get right into this. Let's just show you a quick overview of the masterclass homepage. Here is the profile. Community is where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for these courses. Often referred to as the Queen of Country, selling over 75 records worldwide, she is a singer, songwriter, actress, and a record producer. Her breakthrough album, My Kind of Country, which included songs like How Blue and Somebody Should Leave, that ended up being chart toppers, laid the foundation for a series of successful albums and #1 singles during the 80s and the 90s period. It's giving back that heals your heart and makes everything so much better, Reba says. With an ocean of knowledge acquired through years of experience in her respective industry, she wants to give back to the people and the industry that made her the star that she is today at this moment. About Reba McEntire. She was born and brought up on an 8,000-acre ranch in the fields of Oklahoma, a countryside childhood. She performed the national anthem at the national finals rodeo in '74, which caught the eye of the country music star Red Steagall and helped her to break into the country music industry. She topped the Billboard charts with her single Cannot Even Get the Blues, and what followed was a dream career that is second to none. Initially only into music, Reba tried her hand on television as well in the early 2000s, even bagged a nomination for Golden Globe for her work in Reba, for the best performance by an actress in a television series, musical or comedy. After selling over 75 million records, releasing over 30 albums and numerous singles, McEntire is given the title of the Queen of the Country. Her work and contribution is certainly deserving of every bit of that status. Now, let's come to course description. This masterclass comprises of 21 video lessons that is included in her course. Now here she's going to talk about how she performs live, her life lessons, case studies that will help you understand minute details. The video starts with an introduction and the 21st video ends with the closing thought. Along with that, she conducts a student workshop where you can see the development in the students' skills because of her guidance. She mentors them and enlightens them with the slightest of adjustment that enhances their performance. A chance to hear from the Queen herself is a massive opportunity, one that must never be missed, as a chance to learn from the best are rare and would definitely prove to be a life-changing and a career-molding experience for you all. In addition to that, a 44-page PDF workbook that gives you the overview of the masterclass is also provided for better understanding and also for the students to refer back to when in doubt. The secret of putting together a country song and how to perform it live are all covered in this masterclass. So ladies and gentlemen, a walkthrough through each of this section right now. Now song selection is the first. The importance is the second. The third important thing is Reba considers song selection of the utmost importance. It's the most important decision a performer or an artist has to make in their career. It all starts with the song and selecting the right one. The decision would determine the future of the musician and their career in general. Selecting the right song would sing them into stardom and would prolong their struggle if contrary is done. So this is supremely important. The one point is selecting the proper and the right music for you as an artist. Collaboration with the songwriter is the next one. Now, considering that not every artist is a songwriter too, it makes it very essential for them to work with a songwriter, right? Forming a great relationship with the songwriter will lead to an improvement in the process of songwriting and fruit better results. Reba explains it by saying how she herself practiced it and how it has helped her excel her career and aided in putting together songs that are so beautiful, and she would never have been able to do it herself. So the second one is collaboration with a songwriter. Always remember that together you're better. The next is relatable content. With all addition and new aspects to music, the things that will remain constant in a successful song is relatability. The melody, the chorus and lyrics, all of them constitute to the success of the song. And it is so important that you realize that the memory you give to the audience is something that you can never give otherwise. The audience must feel a connection with the song, right? Otherwise the song won't reach its due potential, or the result won't be as per your expectation. The melody should be catchy and easy to the ears, and the lyrics must tell the story you're trying to convey clearly so that the audience understands the deep and hidden meaning behind each and every word. Now, trusting your own instincts and checking your mood is supremely important as an artist, as an individual. Reba says that there's no harm in having an open mind towards opinions and suggestions. But at the end of the day, one must always trust their own instincts and act upon them. It is important that in the process, you should keep in mind your mood. Check whether it is in sync with the work or not. Mood plays an important role. There might be days where you know the song is good, yet you feel miserable as the song might not match the mood you're in. On such days, you must let the song be and work on it after some other day when your mood matches the song. It is very important not to dissolve the song altogether based on your mood, but rather save it for a later day. If you know the song is good, save and never, never, never delete and just go. Singing, okay, finding your range and songs that matches it, right? This is super important. The singing forms and ability vary in every music industry. One might not have them all. It's impossible to. Hence, it is necessary for you to explore and find what works best for you and what doesn't. Matching the range to the song is essential. Not being disappointed for not having the most illustrious singing ability and rather focusing on trying to touch the heart of the listeners is what Reba thinks that people will remember and appreciate at the end of the day. Mastering your pitch and abilities and evading aspects that are beyond your strengths are what must be practiced extensively. Pushing the limitations of your own voice might damage the vocal cords, so please don't do that ever again. Reba is like super important in every aspect because she gives you such great tips. For example, in warm-ups, being a singer, it's our job that we look after our voice at all times. Reba considers warming up to be very important and it should be followed religiously. She presses on warming up the cord in the shower where it's warm and humid, and you fill the chest and cavity with your breaths, and you really prepare your voice for longevity. The secrets of having a very healthy voice for a longer duration is the consistency in looking for a well-being of the voice and involving natural factors that enrich the vocal cords. So till here, I was really like hooked on to it. But ऐसा होता है ना, right? Like every other muscle that needs practice, voice is the same. Here she says perseverance is supremely important. It would help develop your vocal cords like a machine. Comparing them with muscles, Reba points out the simplicity between them and encourages the practice for them to be similar to that of the muscles, repetitive and dynamic in nature. The vocal cord most certainly can be developed with practice. The repetitive nature of the practicing mends them, having them get used to the complicated notes. It is supremely important. So warming up your voice should be practiced daily and should be incorporated in your life. Recording a song, find a producer. Oh my god, I think this is so important. Now, Reba accentuates the collaboration with the producers as well. Finding the trustable producer whom you are comfortable with. A producer possesses the power to propel the content to new heights, right? They are the ones who are ready to listen and understand the requirements of the artists. It is hard to find that person, but once found, please establish a healthy relationship with them, is what Reba says. The production plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of the project. Maintaining an excellent relationship with the producer improves the probability of a song to be a major success. So till here, I hope you guys are having fun. I am very excited to move on and give you what's happening next. Knowing and feeling your song. Okay, for the song to be convincing for the listener, it must be heartfeltly recorded. Reba explains that getting into the character of the song is supremely essential. A singer must know her song inside out to a point that it feels like a personal memory to them. Knowing the mood, energy, meaning, situation that matches the song would enhance the intimacy and personal feel of the song. A singer must imagine themselves in a situation that song matches. Reba explains with an example saying, if it's a love song, a singer must get into a character of a lover, fallen deeply in love with their partner so as to give the audience a legitimate feel, right? I mean, all these tips are so real and they're so legit that you cannot not understand the importance of it. Now, studio prepared voice. She moves on to this topic. The feel of singing in a studio while recording is totally dissimilar to generally singing and performing. The process of recording in a studio actually starts long before setting foot into the studio. Rather, it starts with preparing yourself and your voice for the studio. Staying away from the consumables that antagonize your voice, such as nuts, cold beverages, and citrus fruits before recording sessions would be a good advice, so that you sing to your full potential. Singing in a studio can be one of the most creative and learning experiences a musician could have. On the other hand, might also be the hardest part of the whole process. I once recorded my voice in a studio and I realized I am not really a good singer, but I have now taken point to practice. The above sections were just an introduction to this insightful masterclass by Reba McEntire herself. She has never before done anything like this, and these video lectures are 100% exclusive for this masterclass subscribers. In full class, you get entire access to this 21 video lectures as well as the workbook and case studies of her songs. She speaks in depth about the process of creating a song, explains how the industry functions, and conducts workshops for us, for students. I mean, who wouldn't want that? How to use your voice to its full potential is a question that is often asked. How to perform live, how to engage the audience while performing live, how to build a brand, how to create a team, how to establish yourself in a country music platform or industry, what are the basic values a musician must inculcate. If you have identical questions on your mind and are seriously looking for them to get answered, then this masterclass might be exactly what you need. Without a doubt, gain immense information from it. So the pros, I think, are so many. Reba McEntire's video lessons that are absolutely exclusive on masterclass. access to exclusive content on Masterclass along with Reba's 21 video lessons. She pours all her knowledge and experience gained over the years into this class. Inside out information about the country music industry. Also get answers to all your questions and doubts in the community section. You'll also have access to a bank of workbook that you can refer back to. Rema conducts a workshop in this class where you can, see the development in the students under the enlightenment or the enlightening guidance of Rema McIntyre. She explains in depth how minute adjustments can make a huge difference, and along with that, have a chance to see Rema do what she does the best. In the bonus performances that are exclusive on Masterclass, learn to get in the industry, build a career, soar the high notes of success in the field of country music from the Queen herself. I think you should definitely go for this. Who should opt for this course, right? I think not just the one who appreciate country music, but the true lovers of music can opt for the course and gain immensely from it. A lifetime of knowledge and experience has been poured into making of this masterclass by Reba McIntyre. Everyone who wants to pursue a career in country music might really benefit from her. Nevertheless, anyone who's aspiring to be a musician can also just, go and learn from her because she has such vast information. She teaches the art of performing live and engaging with the audience. I think she has acquired a lifetime of knowledge, and a young musician can get a huge deal of listening and learning from her. She has managed her career along with all the ups and downs that would teach you a great amount of humble approach and provide clarity to us young minds, right? An opportunity to learn from the best in the business comes rarely. So here's, that opportunity, it should never be missed. An exposure like this would potentially shape your career as well as approach to things in general, right? So my honest review, okay, after completing this course, I had a feeling of being blessed. It has made me feel enlightened, okay? The treasure of knowledge that she opened through this masterclass endowed a great deal of guidance to me and, brought so much clarity in knowing what I must do. I was always one with the earphones on, keeping to myself most of the time. Music filled the void inside me and I had no idea how it controlled me. The acoustic nature of the country music made me experience the presence of the artist and the character of the story involved. She is a role model for many, many, many people, and she has lived a countryside life, and we can relate to the words of a song. Her voice and her everything, it radiates energy, and you'll hardly feel she's not in it. Homely feeling to her music. This masterclass has taught me so much about aspects of music that would definitely help me touch the heart of the people with the art that has inspired me to create. I look forward to the future, and after listening to the masterclass, my heart is full of hope and my mind is full of knowledge. My closing thoughts would be only this, that music has the power to heal the soul. Without music, life would be a mistake. The soothing energy of country music and the feeling of living a life that is with nature is overwhelming to an extent that it makes the heart hopeful. The sweet, calming melody of the country music and the fact that the lyrics of the country songs are generally a story that a person has lived gives such an authentic feel to it. Reba has lived a career full of successes and has touched so many souls along the way. Living the early part of her life as a country child herself, she grew up listening as well as living the songs of great country singers. She wants you to know yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, identifying yourself as a singer, songwriter, or both. The best part about this class is Reba wants to see you grow in this business and hopes to someday, share the stage with someone she inspired and taught through the masterclass. Her experience is priceless and she wants to be an open book so that she can inspire generations to come and along with them inspire their music. So guys, I hope you liked this detailed review of Reba McIntyre's masterclass, which teaches you the nook and cranny of country music industry along with the perfect recipe for having a successful career in the country music industry. If you want to pursue this course, I will be adding all the details in the description box below, so you can go and find it there. And obviously stay tuned for many such reviews which are coming up. Until then, take care, stay safe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. Bye guys, it was so good to be here and talk to you. Thank you. Bye.